I wanted to show you where you can find help and support for any of your needs that are outside of strictly academics, but that actually end up impacting how well you do in school or your performance in your studies. So if you go to our college homepage, fullcoll.edu, under students, we have this tab for services, resources, and support. So these are things like you can see disability services, health services, financial aid, but also things like our food bank. Um, we have a lot of students who have experienced food insecurity. A large percentage of students actually do. We have a veterans resource center. We've got CalWorks and Foster Youth and Career Closet, Anaheim Pledge. We've got lots of different services we offer students. And then there's ways that you can get help. You can go to the Student Support Services webpage that will outline some of these resources. So we have LGBTQ resources, domestic violence. We've got, like I said, our health center, suicide prevention, and psychological services. And then, of course, you can just go to Student Support Services and they can outline all these different ways. If you want to meet with somebody, you can contact any of these people. So we just want to remind you what resources you have on campus. And of course, your faculty and staff are always here to help you access these resources that we know are so vital for student success.